What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new Vegas 16 tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys exactly the best render settings for YouTube. So let's say that you finished editing a video but you're not really sure which quality to pick, which format to pick. I'm gonna run through that in this video, so make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe if you're new, because you have many of those brand new Vegas 16 tutorials coming every single week. So with that being said, let's get to the best render settings, and I will catch you guys obviously right after the intro. Okay guys, we are going to go through the best render settings. So what we're going to do is, first of all, I'm going to just drag in a solid color or something, and we're going to pretend that we just finished editing a video. So I'm going to just drag in this white image. We want to go ahead and select everything that you want to render out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and drag on the entire project. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to this button above the preview screen that says Project Video Properties. Now, the settings you want to fill in right here depends on what kind of settings you want. Do you want to render just in like 720p or 1080p or 1080p 60 FPS? We're gonna go through that step by step. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is, as you can see, we can pick a template, for example, like 720p 30p, 720p 25p, or we can even pick 1080p 24p. Now we're gonna start off with 720p 30p. What you want to do then is you want to go ahead and pick your frame rate. Do you want to have it like 720p 60 FPS? You want to just fill in 60 right here, and then the full resolution render quality is going to be best. Motion blur type is going to be Gaussian. The interlaced mode is blend fields, and the resample mode, guys, is really important. Put that one to disable resample, and that's the first template that we have ready. Okay, if you want to do that for 1080p, it just works the same. Go ahead and pick 1080p. Go ahead and type in right here your frame rate, for example 30, 60 in this case. So what we want to do then is make sure that all those settings are optimized, and then we can just, for example, also type in the width 1920 by 1080. As you can see, 60 FPS, and we can just call this, for example, YouTube 60 FPS. I want to make sure that we will pick the pixel aspect ratio to 1.0000 or square, and click on OK. So now it is really important that your project video properties are matching your render settings. So now we're going to go to File, Render As, and then here you can choose all kinds of templates. The best one for YouTube is Sony AVC/MVC. Those templates are already transferred from Vegas Pro to 15 to 16, but for everybody that is watching right now and don't have any settings in Vegas Pro 16, you can just follow along. But people that have settings in Vegas Pro 15 will be automatically transferred into Vegas Pro 16. So we're going to start off from scratch, and we're going to pick Internet 1920 by 1080 30p, Customize Template. And then right here you want to go ahead and fill in all the settings. Frame size is 1920 by 1080. The frame rate is going to be 60 in this case. You want to go to audio and make sure that you will include audio. And then if you go to the project, you also want to click on video rendering quality, and you want to put that one to best. Now we can also give this one a template, for example, YouTube render template 60 FPS. If you click on this diskette icon and click on OK, that is basically the template you want. And this is basically how to get the best render settings for Vegas Pro 16. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and that is how to do it. Now you can just go ahead and click on render. Your video will start rendering, and guys, these are the best render settings in Vegas Pro 16. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for the continued support. I will catch you guys in a brand new Vegas 16 tutorial coming tomorrow. So that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. It is @JustAlexHalford for updates on Vegas Pro 16 and sneak peeks of new videos. So that's it, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.